Alright, what's up everybody? We are on episode 18 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, which is called Evil Creeps Closer. Yeah, the big question I guess being, which direction is the evil gonna be coming from, right? I mean, it doesn't really seem like any of the surrounding nations are gonna form that much of a threat anymore, especially with us making one, cooperation agreement after the next. Just last episode it was the Kingdom of Blumeth, I think it was called, right? With their leaders or whatever, who Rimuru has been talking to, right? And he even offered up like, oh, you can take credit for defeating the orcs and this and that. So Rimuru just keeps doing a great job, right? And even when it comes to like Milim, she is a demon lord, and she also talked about how it was the demon lords that were actually behind Gelmud and his whole scheme to create this other like puppet, demon lord of us or whatever, right? Or yeah, whatever. So they were technically behind the whole attack before, but Milim, she's a playful character. To her, it's just about like, oh, fucking shit up and having fun. And Rimuru kind of figured that very early on already, right? Which is why he knew exactly how to play to her like personality or whatever, right? With the honey and this and that. And so she'll probably just be an asset, at least for now, and there's not much to fear from her, but she is simultaneously giving us intel about these other demon lords that are definitely much more serious in their intentions, right? And they don't seem, they seem pretty evil, to put it like that. So they're going to be trouble at some point. And so I guess that they'll be the evil that will be creeping closer, right? The end of last episode, they threw a bunch of names at us out of nowhere. Some character called Frey, some character called CHARYBDIS, I think it was called, which is seeming to be some kind of like dragon or whatever that Clayman was gonna go after, right? Along with, yeah, this other clown that he has now called Tear or whatever. So, again, a lot of new characters suddenly. We're expanding the roster, and there already were, honestly, a lot of like these other demon lords. I already forget what they were called, because they had like 2 more, I think, sitting by the table last time we saw them and stuff. So, where is all of this going to go? Right now, we've got some great stuff going on with all the territory expansion, right? Again, with the cooperation agreements, the other nations helping us out, the way we have basically expanded Rimuru's town and stuff, right? So even Vesta, who got taken in, is helping us with the potions and this and that. A lot of great stuff, but obviously some obstacle is bound to arise sooner rather than later, I would think. So yeah, guys, we're just going to dive into this new episode. And of course, if you enjoy my reactions to this show, you'll be able to get early access to the next 16 episodes straight away over on my Patreon page, which is going to be linked on top of the description. Go and check it out. Over there, we should already be on Season 2. I'll probably have watched the OVAs. And yeah, a bunch of stuff basically for you to go and check out, right? Full-length reactions also if you want to see me react to the episodes in their entirety. And you can sign up as a free member as well, and watch at least the next 2 episodes already right now. So I hope to see you there. But for now, let's dive into this new episode. Yeah, the dude that came in last episode that Milim attacked. Yeah, right. Phobio.
魔王ミリムが相手では不可抗力というものです。たとえ魔王カリオン様でも。
Carrion, she mentioned him as well.
こんな無様はさらさなかっただろうぜ。あいつらは自分たちで町を作っていやがったな。過当な魔物だと侮っていたが、俺たちでも及ばぬような技術を持っていやがる。
Man is impressed.
この屈辱は怪我が癒えても消えやしねえ。
Wow, personal vendetta now. So they work for Lord Carrion. It's so funny how you can tell animals' emotions by their ears and stuff. Okay, another clown coming in, huh? Fat clown this time around. Or was this? I've been so focused on Thea's design now last episode. Okay, this is Footman. Oh my god, I don't like these characters whatsoever. Okay, there she is. I'm sure you won't be. You'll be Rimuru's enemy though. Summoned by your anger and hatred. Your very own
怒りと憎し
emotions.
上質な怒りの波動を感じました。何をお怒りになってい
He
るの
probably
か
wouldn't admit to that.
ぜひともお聞かせください。きっと力になってご覧に入れますから。
Nah, these guys will probably come in handy to him though.
このような者どもの話を
Hey,
聞く
man
必要
wanted his
はございま
revenge.
せん。
They'll help you
排
get
除
it.
してもよろしいですか？
Nah, he wants to listen. He wants to hear them out.
の重要戦士団に属する者。
力が欲しいのでしょう？ございますよ。とびっきりの力が。当然ですが危険も大きい。しかしその危険に打ち勝った時、得られる力は絶大です。
ほう
フォービオ様。
Power! Give me some of that.
ミリムにだったらさ、あんたも魔王になっちゃい
Yeah, okay, we'll help you become one. They would know. They're in contact with a bunch of them. Who actually is Lord Carrion? Like, have we seen Lord Carrion? I don't think we have yet,
その
right?
ようなざれ言で俺を騙せるなどと
カリュブディス。
Oh, shit. Dude, that thing looks fucking massive.
あの大怪魚のジャ
The gigantic beast fish.
敵するんだけどな。
Yeah, he's like a manta ray.
顔当たるからもう行くね。ほら、行こう。
ほっほっほ。残念
They're
です。
playing him well, dude.
待て
Yeah, you know exactly how he's gonna respond.
なりません。フォービオ様。
Oh my god.
俺は最初から面白くなかったんだ
He has people actually warning him, but he won't listen.
抜擢されるんだふざけるな新しい魔王が必要だというなら俺が強くなるならカリオン様だって笑って許してくれるだ
No,
ろうぜ
no, no.
フォービオ様。
That's not how this will play out, and you already know.
おお、さすがにフォビオ様ですね。そうでしょうとも。魔王となるのはあなたを置いて他にはいません。
If somebody were to talk to me like this, I'd never fucking trust him.
ならないと間違ってるよね。あたいもそう思うよ。
Oh, man.
フォビオ様なら適任だよね。
この話てめえらに何の得がある
Great question to ask, though.
魔王になったらあたいたちをひいきにしてくれた
Give
のに
us special
当然
treatment.
いろいろと便宜を図っても
I
らった
guess
し
they
ね
couldn't take the power themselves.
我々だけではカリブ
Is
デ
their
ィスを
excuse?
従えることはでき
I
ま
see.
せんからね。
せっかく封印された場所を見つけたけど、このままじゃ宝の持ち腐れだし。
Yeah, they're not warriors like you
フォ
are.
ビオ様をお見かけしましてね。
Hmm.
なるほどな
It's all too convenient,
俺
though.
がカリブディスを従えることができるかどうかは
I can answer that for you. No.
フォビオ様なら必ずや成功するでしょう。
大丈夫大丈
俺が魔王になった時に自分たちが最も役に立ったって実績が欲しいってことかその話引き受けようじゃねえか
I mean, it's an argument that kind of makes sense, but still, it's all a little bit too convenient, isn't it?
お前たちは戻れ
Really? He's just gonna send. Oh my god, you fucking idiot.
しかし。
This dude is the next Gabiru, man. I swear to god.
三重士の地位を返上し矢に下るとお伝えしてくれ
Oh my.
今まで仕えてくれ
Giving up everything.
フォービオ様。
俺は
That's quite the
白となり
gamble you're
俺の
making.
力を魔王ミリムに認めさせてやる
わかりました。
How can people be this
カリオン
fucking
様にご報告い
ignorant?
たしますしかし、カリュブディスの力は未知数。くれぐれもお気をつけください。
Probably the last time you'll see him.
愚かなお方ではない。
Well,
本当にカリュブディス
I hate to say it, but
従えることができるはずだ。
he's a fucking fool. That's exactly what he is.
あの魔王ミリムの憎たらしい面を泣きっ面に変えて
Yo,
やる
what
だ
if they subdue him right away?
その意気です。
Okay.
夫。あたいも応援してる。
Yeah, no, that's not the plan. I mean, I think Clayman's plan was to deal with CHARYBDIS, right? So did he figure that he would use Thea to collect this dude? Okay, okay, back to the nice shots.
どうだ、私の勝ちなのだ。私の方が長い時間も。
Hmm.
いいえ、勝ったのは私です。
違います。ほんのわずかの差ですが、私の勝ちです。
How long can you all hold your breath, guys?
ずるいぞ、シオン、シュナ。よし。
Think if I do like breathing techniques beforehand?
つけてやる。
いいでしょう。もう一度。
I think I should be able to do 2 minutes at least, but I don't know, to be honest. Long time since I tried this.
せーの。はあ 楽しそうだな。向こうに行けばよかったかな。
You're having fun watching
こ
them.
っちはおっさん。
Yeah, not quite as appealing of a sight,
いつま
but
でこの町にいるつもりだよ。お前な。あなたが本当に人間の味方なのかどうか、しっかりと確かめさせてもらうことにします。とかかっこいいこと言ってるくせに。聞いちゃいね。
hey, man just saw the hot springs and he decided to
そ
stay.
れにヨウムたちの件はどうなってんだよ。英雄として各地で名を売るためにな。
それなら問題ないですよ。すでに仕込みは終わらせております。
Yeah, this one is already retired.
ええ、ちゃんとオークロードを倒した英雄として名を
Laid the
広められる
groundwork for spreading the word
手回ししてあります。
that they are the champions. Okay.
そして
We
リ
defeated
ムル
the
殿
orcs.
たちはそれを手伝った害のない魔物たちだと噂になるように。
Right, right.
そっか。
That's what he
なら
wanted.
いいよ。
Yeah, exactly.
のんびりしててもやることはやってんだな。
Yeah, maybe he's just giving himself a well-deserved reward now, I guess, right?
ああ、
But
そうだ。
oh god.
お前たちのブルムンド王国へも道を作ろうかと思ってるんだけど。
Ooh. Does that go past the Dwarven Kingdom?
いやいや、それはありがたい。
These camera shots,
大規
man.
模な事業になりますぞ。莫大な予算が。
Oh yeah, it would be.
そこだよ、フューズ君。
リムル殿にそう呼ばれるとなんだか背中が
Is that like making him seem lesser?
そんなことはいいんだよ、フューズ君。道
Or
がで
better.
きれば今後の取引にも便利だろう。当然だが、作業は俺
Yeah,
たち
dude,
が引
that's
き受ける
that's
じゃない
how
か。
how it works, you know. That's
ただ
that's
し、
ただし
我が国の特産
That's what a
品を
trade
他
alliance
の国
is.
にも売りつけたいので、
sell specially
ボロ
made
ボロの
goods.
相談ができる人物の紹介を頼みたい。
ここに
そうだよ。
まだ復活してい
Nah.
ませんが、破壊への渇望が漏れ出てい
You're
ます。
not leading him into a fucking
そうした
tunnel,
感情が
man.
大好物な我々だからこそ
This is Gollum and Frodo right now.
確かに異様な容器を感じる
Yeah,
な
of course you can. Your fucking impending death is what you sense.
カリュブディスとは精神生命体の一種です。この世界で力を行使するには肉体を与えてやらねばなりません。
You're gonna be the sacrifice.
それで
あなたの役目は
Are they gonna reveal it now?
まさかお前
Yeah, you got played, my guy.
叶えるとは、つまりカリュブディスをその身に宿し
Take CHARYBDIS into your body and unite with it as one being. Yep.
ことなのですよ。
俺の体に
I
やめ
mean,
るなら今だよ。
wow, would they actually allow him though?
この封印はもう長く持たない。
I guess he might actually figure this to be a plan nonetheless.
どうなる
Like, that's how you get the power, right?
自動的に復活しちゃうかな。自動復活しちゃったら制御は無理だろうし、純粋な破壊の意志だから誰の命令も聞かないだ
Yeah,
ろうし。
I mean, you know things are not gonna be playing out
復活
in any way they
する前
expect,
に封印を解き
or they're
その
saying it
力を
would.
奪わないとダメというわけか
But their arguments are still making sense to him. Like, oh yeah, I just gotta claim him
さ
before
すがです。
he himself
いいだろう
revives himself
カリュブディスの力我が物としてやろ
and make the power his own.
うやってやるぜカリュブディスを俺の体に従えてあの小生意気な魔王ミリムを
Dude is so taken over by that
行きましたね
revenge.
言ったね。
Yeah.
さすがは脳が筋肉でできているカリオンの部下ですね。
今日も大量なのだ。も
What did they get? Oh god.
ミリムちゃんはすごいですよ。
Yo, I can't even tell what they are. Like octopus?
今回も狩りが楽々でした。
Oh yeah, no, just more like spider monsters again. Yeah, okay.
今夜もごちそうなのだ。
Yeah, I don't think I'd personally want to eat any of that, but
ほんと疲れやしたね。
ミリム様何者です
oh shit. Someone approaching the town?
この気配は
Damn, everybody just showed up. Oh, dude, it's
トレイニーさん。
is it
い
her?
や、ちょっと違う。
I was gonna say she doesn't look like her.
ドライアド
It's a dryad though.
初めて見た
私はドライアドの
Treya? Trainee, sorry, Treya? Yeah, okay.
妹がいたのか。
Ah,
それよりその先と姿はどういうわけだ。
murderous aura.
救助隊でございます薬剤が近づいて
Calamity is approaching, yeah, it is.
カラミティモンスターである カリブディスが復活いたしました。
It's already happened,
カ
huh?
リブディス。
そしてカリブディスの目的はこの地である模様。
な、
So our next threat is gonna be the dragon itself.
カリブディスに対し地上戦力では無力。至急防衛体制を固め
Bolster your defenses and prepare an airborne combat force as soon as possible. Yeah, you're gonna need to set up like towers and stuff to take care of it, I guess, huh?
カリブディスは遥かなる昔に生まれ死と再生を繰り返しております。凶暴なる天空の支配者。
Yeah, they have no idea that who's truly behind it is Clayman, though.
守護者たる暴風竜ベルドラ様の
The
申し子
child
と
of
言えるでしょう。
Veldora? Is it? Oh shit!
カリブディスはベルドラ様から漏れ出たマソダマリから発生した魔物なのです。
Does that mean we use Veldora to,
カリブディス兄弟みたいなもの。ああ、ここを目指してるのを
I
俺
mean,
を狙ってるってことか。
like, I don't know if we can still, like, take out Veldora.
気づいているのかも。
No, I don't think that's quite what it is.
魔王以上の脅威となりますよ。
固有能力のサモンモンスターでメガロドンという
Shark-like summon monsters called Megalodons. From the spirit world. Oh shit, a bunch of minions.
オークロードより厄介なんじゃ。
Yeah, minions that are even more threatening than the previous ones. That's for sure.
なぜか近くにあったレッサードラゴンの死骸をより代にした模様。
あ、
その数は13。
Damn!
大波の化け物一体と召喚された空飛ぶサメが
Flying, yeah, look, dude, they're fucking massive themselves. This is kind of giving me some great will vibes.
どうするって。何か重要なことを忘れてはいないか。カリブディスごとき。
Is nothing compared to me.
この私の敵ではない。軽くひねってやるのだ。おお、その手があったか。
I hope.
そのようなわけには参りません。
I don't know if I
私たちの
fully
町の
trust you on that one,
お
though.
い、秘書、勝手に断る。
Is she just jealous?
私はマブダチ。そうですよ。友達だから何でも頼ろうとするのは間違いです。リムル様がどうしても困った時はぜひともお力添えをお願い申し上げます。今めちゃくちゃ困ってるんだけど。
I was gonna say, we can take all the help we can fucking get.
そうだぞミリム。まあ俺を信じろ。せっかく私の見せ場がやってきたと思ったのに。
Oh,
まあ依頼は俺みたいだし。カリブディスを倒す。準備しろ。
God. Don't kick in the hopeful theme, because I'm not feeling that hopeful right now.
あの、分かってる。
Exactly, man.
相手はドライアドでさえ足止めできない。
Yeah, this dude is the only realist here, apparently now.
盟約を結んだガゼル王の応援も期待できるし、やるだけやってみるさ。
I still think we need more than that.
逃げてどうする？
I mean, slime would never
俺が
run,
この
but...
国で一番強い。絶対に勝てそうもないならすぐに逃げて次の策を考えるけど、そうじゃないな。
Run away, think up a new plan.
自分の目で敵の強さを確かめるべきだろう。
I'll face it myself. Is what you're saying, or
な
what?
るほど。リムル殿は我々人間のような考え方をされるのですね。とても魔物とは思えませんよ。
Why would that be, huh?
そうかもな。
Maybe there's a reason for that.
信じられないかもしれないけど。
Oh shit, he's just gonna be upfront about it too. I love it.
シズさんのことは知ってるだろう？俺は多分あの人と同じ
Yep.
異世界人だったんだ。
Oh man.
向こうで死んでこっちでスライムに生まれ変わったんだ
It
よね。
was such a tragic fucking backstory too for a show that's so lighthearted and nice, right?
シズさんの姿で俺がかっこ悪い真似はできないだろ。そっか、やっぱりリムルさんは信じられる人だよ。
Yeah, you better not.
それに約束したからな。約束？シズさんの心を縛る思いを
Yep.
俺が晴らすってな。
Yeah, for that we still have to go meet Leon, I think was called, right?
魔王レオンだ。
Exactly.
魔王レオン。
そうだったの？
そんな大物を獲物とか言っちゃまずい。
Oh shit.
そりゃ魔王レオンに比べればカリブディスの方がなんぼか楽。
Probably.
そう。
He didn't seem that
魔王レオ
threatening
ン
though.
の後だ。
I mean, he is threatening, but not CHARYBDIS threatening, you know? He's just human looking, but
戦いが始まろうとしていた。
probably very
その
strong,
場
right?
所はジュラテンペスト連邦国の首都中央都市リムルと
Fucking epic.
ドワルゴンの中間地点。相手は
Jesus Christ. Yo, look at those, like, They've got like armor around them, man. Plates. Ridiculous. Oh, this is so giving me ReZero vibes, though. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, guys. Well, anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. And, of course, you can get early access to the next 16 episodes straight away over on my Patreon page, which is going to be linked on top of the description. Go and check it out. You can also sign up as a free member and watch the next 2 episodes already right now. So, I'll see you there.